In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dark mode in Canva, and we'll go through this process step by step so you can get started quickly and easily. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up Canva on your device. The great thing about Canva is that it's available on both desktop and mobile devices, so choose whichever one suits your needs best for this tutorial. Once you're on the Canva homepage, you should see your dashboard with various design options spread across the screen. What you want to do next is focus your attention on the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll notice a small gear icon which represents settings. You'll want to click on that settings icon, as this will be our gateway to accessing all customizable options within Canva. After you've clicked on the settings icon, a drop down menu will appear with a list of different settings categories. Your goal here is to find the accessibility option, so go ahead and click on accessibility. The great thing about accessibility settings is that they allow you to tailor Canva to your personal preferences, making it more user friendly for everyone. It's wonderful for ensuring that the platform is accommodating regardless of individual needs. Once you're in the accessibility menu, you'll be presented with different options that let you modify how Canva looks and functions from an accessibility standpoint. Now, what we're specifically interested in is enabling dark mode, so go ahead and find the option labeled dark and click on it. By doing this, Canva will switch to dark mode, which can be incredibly advantageous for those who work in low light environments or simply prefer the sleek elegance that a darker theme provides. It reduces eye strain and gives a more comfortable user experience during those late night creative sessions. Plus, for many, it just looks cool. There you have it, your Canva is now equipped with dark mode. This feature not only enhances the visual style of the platform, but also can contribute to a more relaxing and eye-friendly designing experience. Remember, if you ever want to switch back to the default mode, you can always navigate back to the same settings and make the change anytime. Thanks for watching this tutorial on enabling dark mode in Canva. We hope it enhances your designing experience on the platform. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more quick and informative tutorials that can elevate your digital creativity. Have a fantastic day and happy designing.